Hello, welcome to the third chapter of our series, Introduction to Superfoods. Today we delve into the world of berries, those little fruits that are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients and health benefits. In this episode, we will focus on three of the most popular blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Why are they so powerful? What makes them stand out in the world of superfoods? Let's find out. Berries. Small but powerful. Berries are small, colorful fruits that are full of flavor, but their real power lies in their nutritional density. Although there are many varieties, today we're focusing on blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, three of the most widely consumed and studied for their beneficial properties. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them perfect allies in fighting oxidative stress, improving cardiovascular health, and strengthening the immune system. Plus, they're low in calories, which makes them ideal for any diet. Blueberries, the kings of antioxidants. Let's start with blueberries. Those little blue spheres that have gained worldwide fame for their high antioxidant content, especially anthocyanins, which are responsible for their characteristic color. These substances help fight free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. But that's not all. Blueberries are also known for improving brain health. Studies suggest that regular consumption may slow cognitive decline and improve memory, regulating blood sugar. Their low glycemic index makes them suitable for people with diabetes, promoting digestive health. Thanks to their high fiber content, they promote a healthy digestive system. How to eat them? You can add them to yogurt, smoothies, salads, or simply enjoy them as a healthy snack. Raspberries, sweet and full of benefits. Raspberries are another gem in the world of berries, with their sweet and slightly tart flavor. These fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, manganese, and fiber, but what really sets them apart is their content of L-arginines, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Some of their most notable benefits include immune system support. Thanks to their high vitamin C content, they strengthen the body's defenses. Weight control. They are low in calories and high in fiber, which helps you feel full. Skin health. The antioxidants in raspberries fight the signs of premature aging. Ideas for incorporating them into your diet? Try adding them to your desserts, cereals, or even in sauces to accompany savory dishes. Blackberries. Dark and full of nutrients. Last but not least, we have blackberries. These dark-colored berries are an impressive source of vitamin K, vitamin C, and manganese. They are also rich in ellagic acid, a compound that has been shown to have antiviral and antibacterial properties. Among their most notable benefits are improved bone health. Vitamin K is essential for the formation and maintenance of strong bones. Cardiovascular protection. Their fiber and antioxidant content helps lower bad cholesterol and improve circulation. Blood sugar regulation. Like blueberries, they have a low glycemic index. Blackberries are versatile and can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or even in homemade jams. Why are they so powerful? Now that we know the individual benefits of each berry, it's important to understand why, together, they are considered so powerful. The key lies in their nutritional synergy. These fruits are not only rich in antioxidants, but also contain a unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that work together to promote overall health. Plus, their versatility in the kitchen makes them easy to incorporate into any diet, whether in smoothies, salads, desserts, or simply on their own. Berries are a delicious way to take care of your body. Tips for getting the most out of berries. To get the most out of these superfoods, here are some tips. Eat them fresh. Whenever possible, choose fresh, seasonal berries to get the most nutrients. Freeze them. If you can't eat them right away, freeze them. Frozen berries retain most of their nutrients. Mix them. Combine different types of berries for a variety of nutrients and flavors. Avoid added sugars. If you eat them in jams or juices, make sure they don't contain added sugar. And now, a preview of what's coming up in the next chapter of our series. In the fourth episode, we'll delve into the world of seeds, specifically the battle between two nutritional giants, chia seeds versus flax seeds, which has more omega-3, which is better for digestion. How can you incorporate them into your diet? Don't miss it because this showdown promises to be as nutritious as it is interesting. Berries are undoubtedly one of the most delicious and nutritious superfoods you can include in your diet. Whether you prefer blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, each one offers unique benefits that can significantly improve your health. So next time you see these little gems at the market, don't hesitate to take them home. If you liked this episode, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next episodes of Introduction to Superfoods. See you next time.